Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to be playing some more Train Sim mode because I haven't played it in a while and I just thought why not. So let's just select me, just ignore these other people. And today I thought why not play on the West Somerset Railway? Because I've never recorded it. I've recorded it on our iPad, but I never actually got to upload it because it was being really dumb. So let's just do that. Should we just do like a summer day? Let's go. What should we do? Let's go Bishopsfield to Minehead. So yeah, that's literally the route. Bishopsfield to Minehead. Yeah, I got some new headphones. Hell yeah! Look at them. They're wireless as well, so that's fun. So yeah, let's just record. Here we go. Here we go then. Alright, so we are in our Class 47 locomotive. Sorry if I didn't show you the trains enough. There's a Class 09, which is basically a BR shunter. And then we have this, the Class 47 North Star, as it says. Right, let's go. I'm not lying, it says the North Star somewhere. It did, anyway. Did they get rid of it? I promise you, it did say North Star. Anyway, let's watch this thing leave because it will look awesome. Wait, I need to get the headlights on. There we go. Now we can blow the horn and go. Oh, what's into that? Yeah, it's like right on the laptop. It's not mine. Anyway, happy Christmas, everyone. It is Christmas Day when I'm recording this. And I've got some presents. I've got a new phone, so that's nice. So I'm literally recording this with. So yeah. Hang on. You know Charmu? Yeah, the guy who went Transform with me. He is now relying on Roblox. I'll just tell him that I'm recording. So yeah, there's our train. Don't know how many coaches we have. I think it's around 5 or something. He's still, well, it says he's online, but he's not playing any games anymore. Anyway, it doesn't matter that much. He doesn't have to win a video. Is that a glitch? It is a Is that Is that It goes up. Horns of my life. Right, let's pull up. And next up is Crocombe Heatham, 10:34. And we're probably going to be really early. Yes, this is going to be split into a couple of halves because it takes about an hour to go around the whole railway. I don't really want to upload an hour video because it would take about an hour to upload. So I don't really want to do that right now. Oh my throat. I'll just join a game and see if he joins as well. If you want a friend in Roblox, you can, I guess. Absorbing Squid is not releasing any, what do you call them? So personal information. It's just his Roblox name. But if you want to go check him out, he's really cool. More on Roblox, I guess. The cameras are trying to make it better now. Also, just before the station, we have a 20-mile-an-hour limit. Let me just watch the train go by. That would be quite cool. Oh. Maybe I should do a snowy one as well. So that would be quite cool. I'll also do one from Minehead to Bishop Clear here. Yeah. Maybe I should do it in the Class 09. That would be quite cool. Anyway, let's just see her coming around the corner. Can you hear that? I can hear the horn a bit. I'm not sure if you can or not. I see him, or her. Some people like to call it her. Well, I see 47D something or other. It's just let's get a nice front camera view. There we go. Just took a couple of pictures there for the thumbnails. You can see the website for thumbnails. It can't just be a random something like me going on a break or something. Have the thumbnail. Right, how fast are we going? Yeah, that's all you. Look at that. My new version of course, cool, nice, good quality. Don't mind saying that. Oh god, I'm speeding. I didn't even realise. I don't want a straight brake, for God's sake. There. There you go, that should be enough. Right, speed up a tiny bit. We're usually really early because it's 10:21 now and it's only 2 miles, which is there. So yeah, we shouldn't be there we should be there quite soon. So yeah. I said Merry Christmas, didn't I? Yeah. Merry Christmas, everyone. I know. Yeah, it's exciting. I couldn't get the TV last night. I woke up at 12 o'clock and then 6 o'clock. Stuff. And then opened presents and got stuff. Sadly, I didn't get HTTP now. Well, I haven't yet. So I'm home. I'll get one from something like something like yeah. Right. I'm just gonna give you up and stop playing Roblox. I'm just looking at it to see if Squid or Chomp. I just call him Chomp. His name's Chomp. Obviously his real name. But he's not allowed to reveal his real name. And it's Chomp. And yes, still fine. Yes, I was quite correct. Right, let's just close down Roblox. I'm sure I've told you many times, but yeah, I'm going to sing Union in South Africa 60009 on the 16th February 2019. So if there's anything else going on 16th February, don't invite me to friends to this game when his birthday is in February. I'm not going to tell you when. But because I'm not allowed, so he doesn't want personal information to be spread about him. So yeah, it's in February, that's all I'm going to say. And yeah, what was I going to say? motorcycle. This one. There we go, just took a couple of pictures out again. Ah, a wall. I don't know, what if we could take one out? I have no idea. Take it when it's coming around the corner. That's right. How far away is? Not too far. Let's just do one like this. And I'm speeding. Right, I won't put that on because I'm speeding in that thingy. I can't put that on for that. There. That should be good. 1 mile until crew can be filled. It's 10:25, so we're gonna be like 5 minutes early. Like I always am, because it expects. No, what is it? What it expect? I think it is. Us to be in a class 109, which doesn't go up the hill very well. It goes around 14, 15, 16 miles an hour. So we get there about 10, 34, 10, 45. So it expects me to be in a class 109, which is the shunter, like I said. But obviously I'm not, so I'm going to be like 5 minutes early, like I always am. Minutes just gone, for me at least, recording now. Hope you enjoyed that, what do you call it, slow-mo cat, I think it was a cat, yeah it was a cat, wasn't it? That cat slow-mo thingy is going to fall. That's cool. I've taken many photos. Right, let's throw it down because we're nearly there. And there's a 20 limit, but that's enough. I say that like it's so far away. It's not that far away. But let's just warn people on coming around the corner. Not really warning people, it's just a chance for me to do megatones. Why the reverse just turn? Why better now? Why better now? Why better now? Let's get it kind of there. I'm not sure if this is just going to be part 1 or not, but because I feel like it's too short if I just make it 13 minutes long, and then there's the 20. If I just make it like 13 minutes long, I can't just like make a part every station, can I? Because, well, to be honest, some are like 1 mile apart. But I'm just gonna make this part 1 for now. I will do Stogumber, I think it's Stogumber, or something. It's Stogumber, I think it is. And then to Willington, I don't know, Willington. I'm just going to call it Willington for now. In the next, in part 2. But for now, this has been part 1. I'm going to stop and then say goodbye. Right, and then take some more pictures because that's what I have to do. Right, let's just slow down a lot. Well, not too much. We don't want to make the passengers fly forward. Just come in and stop there. Take a password signal because it bullies me. Let's put it on full service. Unlock the doors. Left. Yay, I think I got it right. Yep. Right, so now it's chance for even more photos because that's my life. D1922. And then we have to have what? I have to get the C, don't I just need to take so many photos. Front camera, let's take one from here. Yeet. And then one from, no, let's do one from, can you zoom in? Yeah, we kind of can. Not very well though. And then let's take a photo there. Right. So I think that's going to be it for now, guys. So yeah, I'll just close the doors and then I'll end off the video. Thank you guys so. Wait, why did I just lock the door? No, don't do that. I have to wait until okay. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I certainly did. Enjoy driving this Class 47 D 1992 or something was that? I can't remember. What? Yeah. Oh, I said 1992 instead of 1992. But anyway, guess what? That was a perfect photo. But anyway, yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching. It means the world. Well, it means a lot to me. Make sure you guys like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.